Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today in part of the video, at least, we're back in the old setup. Really all I have to do is switch the camera and the lights the opposite direction. But as you already know, today we are opening up Stitch Fix and I am trying on all the items. I actually already did, and I have on the last item I tried. And I did not even think to come up with a fact of the day yet. Sorry guys, I just had to get up and turn the air conditioning on because it's a little warm in here. I know I'm going to regret it because it drops down at night here in Florida, even if it's warm during the day. But I can't believe I was not prepared for a fact of the day. So today's isn't going to be super interesting. I promise I'll try and come up with something more creative. And I really liked when I get into character, not character, but for Rick and Morty is one of my favorite shows, wearing the shirt and the space buns. I don't know if anyone got that, but I wore space buns because space is involved in that. But for my fact of the day, I told you guys for sure that I grew up in Chicago, and I'm not sure if I include this as a fact, but I've talked about it many times. I went to a private Catholic school, old girls Catholic school for high school, and then my fact is going to be where I went to college, and I went to the University of Iowa. I am a Hawkeye, and proud of it. I had a blast. I love college so much. I went to Iowa for 8 years. When I tell people that, they're always like, whoa, took you a long time. I'm like, I could see why it would there. It's a fun school, but no, I got 2 degrees. I got my BS and my doctorate, and I want to go back to college so bad. That was a good time in my life. I liked school. I don't know how I was able to manage it, but I had a good time and I got some good degrees. So I would love to hear if you guys went to college. If you didn't, no judgments. It's not really necessary. I could talk about that for a while. I have opinions on that. It all depends. So if you didn't, you can tell me where you went to high school or what college team you root for, if you're into college football or anything like that. I'm a Big Ten girl, obviously, Hawkeyes. I would love to hear. And you can leave any fact whatsoever. I've been loving doing this so much, learning more about you guys, so I hope you're loving it too. It seems like you are. But now let's get on to Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix is a personalized styling service, and you have a stylist who picks 5 items for you based on a profile you fill out. So you let them know what styles you like, what your sizing is, and also your budget, which is awesome. And you pay $20 as a styling fee, and that goes towards credit for anything you buy. So like I said, there's 5 items, and if you keep all 5, you save 25%. I do have a referral link that will get you $25 off your first order. So if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I definitely recommend it. I've been getting it for 40 something times. It'll say on the sheet when I open it. So yeah, I like it. And you get to pick the frequency of this box too. It's not necessarily a subscription, but you can make it be. So you can have it be just as requested. You go in and you request a fix. Mine's set up to be delivered monthly. I've had this box, you guys, for over almost a month, and they're about to charge me for all of it. So they say you have 3 days to check out, but they have an option to extend it, which is great because I was busy with stuff, cleaning it, and I just wanted to film it, and I wasn't filming for a few days or a week, whatever it was. December was crazy, holiday season and house stuff. So yeah. I need your help today, you guys. ASAP, right when I post this. If you can, let me know what you think I should keep, what I shouldn't keep, all of that. I can't wait to hear your input. It means a lot to me. You guys are my friends. I need your help. So yeah, did I cover all the basic stuff? I think so. So yeah, in today's video, I tried everything on, including this, and I haven't looked at the pricing yet. So I have opinions on what I think of the items without the pricing. So I think that will be interesting. Usually I look at that first, but so here's the box it came in, and it comes with a mailer bag, so anything you want to return or exchange for a different size, you can use this. So there's free shipping both ways. And then there is a note from your stylist, and then it has some outfit ideas. And I won't read it, but it's really nice. So her name's Jamie. I think this is the 2nd or 3rd time I've had her, and she's done a good job, I think, because she takes into account where I live. I live in Southwest Florida, so it is getting cooler around this time of year, but it's not winter where it is most places in the U.S. So she brought that up in her note. And then we have our invoice, and this is my fix number 42. So on this invoice, it'll tell you the cost of everything and then what you would save if you keep all 5. And then if you have any promo credit. So if you guys join and someone uses your referral link, like the link I mentioned, that's mine, you will also get $25 credit. So thank you in advance to anyone who uses my link. I appreciate it. And so the total of all 5 items is $250. And if I keep all 5, I would save $62.50, and that would come out to be $187.50. But I have $25 credit, so overall it would be $162.50. So I like how they lay it all out there. Sorry, I dropped it for you. Makes it very clear. And the items individually are pretty good. So I think I might have picked like the lowest for like the budget. So the price ranges from $38 to $58. So how about we start off with the dress I'm wearing? So I'm gonna insert clips, and I can show you guys this too. So I am wearing the Kaylee Pamela Knit Faux Wrap Dress, and this is an olive. I think it is a really pretty color, and it is $58. So I know maybe I'll just show you guys now. I hope it captures on camera, because in the viewfinder, I don't know if you can tell the color, but I think it's just super pretty. It's a faux, yeah, I think the title said it was faux, but you can kind of tighten this here, and it's ruffled at the bottom. I like it a lot. Like, I feel like I would only wear it for filming, I don't know, in like a month or 2 out of the year, but I love the color. So yeah, this is one I need help with for sure. And it's comfortable, like it's kind of stretchy, but not too much. And the sleeves are kind of, what would you call this? Like tighter at the sleeves, but not too tight and still stretchy. So I love anything that like accentuates, like, or is like cinches at the waist and kind of like enhances like an hourglass figure, which I think I have. I'm so good at interpreting things myself. I mentioned that in yesterday's video, like with astrology signs and stuff like that. But let's move on to the next item. So these were some jeans, and I like the style overall, but I don't know if I want this specific pair. I need your help, you guys. This is by Just USA. I've never heard of this brand. Let's see. The Lola high-rise cropped skinny jeans. So this, when I put this on, I knew I wanted to try out some more high-rise pants, because that fit is so much more comfortable to me. Like, it's not as tight when you sit down, like, because my belly is like in this area, so when you sit down, it just like, oh, I want to take my pants off right away. Like, I'm not really a big pants wearer, but these are comfy because they're stretchy material too. And they say this is light blue and it's a size 10 or 30, and I do think it fit well. I have lost weight recently, everyone keeps pointing it out, but I haven't lost like that much because like the sizing is kind of the same. The only thing I'm worried about with these is that they are stretchy, which I love, and they fit perfect, but I wonder if after a full day of wearing it, you know how stretchy jeans can sometimes get looser? I think I might want to size down if I did keep these, and I think overall I do like them, but they have those buttons like in the front, which I don't know how that looks on me, so please let me know. But either way, I'm going to tell my stylist I want some high-waist jeans that are stretchy, because I think I could, like, I like crop tops lately. I know, like, I'm like way behind on any trends. I don't care about trends. I like what I like. But with high waist, I want high-waisted pants, even if they aren't jeans. And the bottom, I don't know if you could tell this when I was trying them on, but that is what they look like. How much were these again? So $58. So the first 2 items are the most expensive. And I feel like I don't really have many jeans, and if these fit me right and stuff, that wouldn't be bad. But the next item, I think I want to keep for sure. It is a black sweater by Market and Spruce, and it's black, but it stands out because it has this like detail in the front. They're like buttons, they're gold, and also on the sleeves, and it's very comfortable. It's V-neck like I like. It's lightweight. So what material is this? I'm curious. So this is Market and Spruce Aerolicia. I'll read it here. I don't know. Aerolicia embellished fitted knit top. Size large, $54. Material. So this is 48% rayon, 48% polyester, and 4% spandex. I knew it wasn't like just polyester. I like rayon stuff in general. Yeah, I think I want to keep this. Let me know if you guys think I should. I think it fit perfect, like not too loose, not too tight. Something I would wear often, especially like in the winter months in Florida. And the next sweater, I think I like too, but I like it better tucked in than like loose. It is, again, by Market and Spruce, and it is so soft, you guys, and also lightweight at the same time. And it has that like asymmetrical cut, so like the front, wait, is it the front? Usually it's the back that's longer. Yeah, the front is longer than the back. That's interesting. What is this made out of? But anyways, this is the Karina Brush Dolman knit top. Off-white, size large, and this one is $38. Oh, I wish the first one was $38 too, but that's okay. Because I feel like I would wear the other one all the time. Yeah, like I was saying, I thought this looked cute in the, like with the jeans tucked in, but it looked a little like long and baggy when I didn't do that. But I think that's the look it's like going for. Okay, so this is again rayon. It's 82% rayon and 14% polyester. I've been getting like into like looking at fabrics more lately. I didn't look at the dress. Let me see if there's a tag right here. So the dress that I have on is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. And then we have one more item, and it's another top. And I love the color of this, but I don't know if I like the whole shirt. Again, this one I like tucked in, but it has this like tie front, but it doesn't really give you the ability to tie it super tight. So if I tucked it in, I just really love the color of this. I just don't like the tie front. I feel like the tie front's only good if it's like a shorter top. And I have like a longer torso, or like I'm kind of tall, you know? I don't know. You just would think it'd be like, I would like that better with cropped. That's my point. But I love the green color. This is by West Key, yeah. And it's the Kasaya tie front blouse, and it's $42. And of course, gotta look at the material now. Let's see. And this is 100% polyester. So yeah, I'm like 50-50 on some of them. If you guys think it looks good, like I'd love to know other people's opinions, because sometimes you like other people say something looks good and at first I don't think I like it, and then I listen to them and I'm like, oh my god, they were right. Like I like to, you know, you see yourself different than others do. So yeah, thanks in advance for your feedback. I would love to know what you think of all of these, which I've already said a million zillion times. But thank you guys for being here and unboxing this with me and watching me try it on. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and special thanks to my channel members. You guys are amazing. Can't wait for Tier 2 live stream tomorrow. After I film this, I'm going to put up a reminder. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!